You are going to love the 2023 Kona. The Hyundai Kona provides a wide variety of functionality in a small SUV body. The energetic design is perfect for those looking to marry their adventurous side with their urban lifestyle and is priced below $25,000. This vehicle has less than 4,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rear spoiler, alloy wheels, remote keyless entry, four-wheel disc brakes, front-wheel independent suspension, speed control, electronic stability control, brake assist, traction control, rear window defroster. Come take a test drive today.
Hyundai certified vehicles will provide you the confidence you desire in your next vehicle. All certified Hyundais come with a limited powertrain warranty, a comprehensive inspection, roadside assistance, and much more. Contact your Hyundai dealer today to learn more about the Hyundai Certified program.